How to delete Facebook activity log history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device and tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now simply scroll down until you find activity log. Now under your activity, simply tap on activity log. Now tap on activity history. Now as you can see, there is no option to select activity history. So you have to manually tap on three dots and tap on delete. Again tap on delete and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.